Hey, what's going on, guys? Nick here, and welcome to another video. Where today we're going to try and get 11,000 coins on Subway Surfers. So yeah. This loading bar is taking forever. Finally, the sound is on. This is gonna take forever. I can hear the stuff, but I can't see it. Finally. So, let's be my bro. Okay, the game's so laggy right now. Let's be a superhero. My bro, Star Jake. Huh? Let's go, guys. We're actually just gonna try and survive as long as we can. We're gonna try and get as many coins as we can. In the area, we're gonna make a playlist, and this is actually part 1 of the challenges to get as many, to survive as long as we can. This is part 1. And we're gonna try and, well, it's just gonna be like how we have to get as many coins as possible. And we have 1 round every video. So yeah, this is video 1. Because since it's video 1, we're going to actually have 2 rounds. We're gonna have different challenges, but this is just to try to get as many coins on episode 1. On episode 2, we're probably gonna have no star boosters, which means it's like those stars that says ×2, and like the last one probably gonna be like no jetpack. That's probably gonna be like the hardest. And wait, no, and then like the completely like the really last one, they're probably gonna be like no power ups. That's gonna be so hard. We're gonna have like no power ups, different things and stuff like that. So yeah, episode when we can do all power ups, but we have 2 rounds. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, what? 300. Boom, boom. Yes, I think I got that. I was so close to missing that. Oh. Okay, maybe we might even have 1 round on this, because we're doing so good. And we're also gonna, oh yeah, see those stars, like, that's gonna be for like, no! Dang it. Okay, let's just do this to the 2nd round. Okay, so you guys have to comment in the section below which character you want me to do. And in the comment section below, well, in the description, I will actually put the characters you can do. You can pick, okay? So yeah, guys. And I will check in the comment section below, and I will see how many get the character. Like, let's say Star Jake gets 30, and then Dark Jake gets 40. I will do Dark Jake. But, what? Sorry, guys. That was my mom. Let's just keep playing this for the 2nd round. Comment in the comment section below what you want my character to be. I'll put all the characters in the description below that I have. Okay, just jetpack. I really need to increase my jetpack durability because I really need to increase it. I increased it twice, but I want to increase it all the way. I can unlock Lucy again, but I already have Lucy plus her goth outfit. Yeah, just put in the comment section below what you want my character to be next time. And I'm actually going to go back and do the coin challenges on my other one. And I actually picked the characters from my other series. I actually have 2 series going right now. Survive the longest. And I actually have how many, we have like, well, this is like, how many coins can we get and survive, oh, I just missed that jackpot, and survive the longest. So yeah, and my second series, which is the series that I just started, not the one that we were in right now, the one we're in right now is survive the longest, and get as many coins as possible. In my other series, we have coin goals. So yeah. Sorry guys.
It's weird. It's a little bit just too crazy. I mean, it would require a lot of work. The balloon. Okay, here's the leopard pants. They're cute.
No.
So we're doing good. I'm surprised we haven't used a hoverboard yet. Because like if I do this, look, we don't have any. Surprised we only died once, which is our first round. I'm surprised, oh my gosh, look at our points. And look at our coins. We're doing so good. Okay, what was that? 500 coins. We're like past 5,000 on the points.
I'm so excited that we're all going together. Is always something? That's what she does? She's like the best at it. Simone, my assistant Stephanie, and I
600.
go to a Balmain fitting. Let's do it.
No!
It's really hectic, but it's so much fun.
Okay guys, comment in the comment section below. Well, you know what, just don't comment in the comment section below what you want my character to be. I'm still just gonna choose the characters, but
We're meeting with my mom and Corey, and we're all gonna go and see what we should wear to the show.
oh yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.